Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Ensaymada or Ensaymada. Well, someone requested me to make a batch using 1 kg or 1 kilo of flour with a mung bean filling, and I'll be posting the mung bean filling recipe separately soon. So let's get started. In 480 ml of milk, add 10 to 11 grams of yeast and set aside until frothy. Once the yeast mixture is ready, make a well in 1 kg of flour. Pour the yeast mixture, then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2.5 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of lard, or you can use shortening. Knead thoroughly. You have to knead it properly, guys. So I need to transfer it on the mat so that I can knead it thoroughly until the dough becomes elastic, as demonstrated in this video, guys. Let me show you the perfect or the correct texture of this dough. That's it. Elastic. That's perfect texture. Now let the dough rise until doubles in size. When it is ready, shape your dough or our Ensaymada. Regarding the filling, I will post that separately soon, guys. Oh, this is the best part. I love this part. Shaping bread or dough. Yes. You can weigh it, guys, so that you can have the right sizes of your bread. Ensaymada, pataas, pababa. Ay, spaghetti. Oh, that's the mung beans. Now bake for 12 to 18 minutes at 175 degrees to 180 degrees Celsius. Now let's prepare the toppings. You can use either margarine or butter. Mix it with sugar. I apologize, the bowl is too small. I need to use a larger one. Mix thoroughly and brush the mixture on top of Ensaymada. You can use brush or you can use spatula. It's okay. I'm too slow. I forgot to edit. Now finally finish it with shredded cheese on top. Ready to deliver. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Now it is ready to deliver. This recipe yields 2 trays, guys, from 1 kilograms of flour. In this video, I'm only demonstrating 1 tray. Thank you for